In this video, I'll show you how to set up for the very first time your Onn Roku TV. So I'll go step by step through the different menus and what you need to select to get started. When you turn on your Onn Roku TV for the first time, this is the screen you'll get. They'll ask you to select your language. So go ahead and simply by taking the remote control and using the up and down arrows, you're going to select your language. I'll choose English. And then press the OK button right here in the middle. Then you'll have to select your country. You may have more than 3 choices. In my case, I'm in Canada, so I'll just press OK. Next step, you're simply going to press OK and select Setup for Home Use. The TV will now scan all the wireless networks, all the Wi-Fi networks around it, and what you need to do is to select yours from the list that is showing here, again with the up and down button. Select your wireless network and then press the OK button. You now have to type the password of that network. So go ahead and use the keyboard that is on the screen to type it, simply by moving with the arrows up and down, left and right, and pressing OK to select each character. Once you're done typing your password, all you have to do is to go down and select Connect. Press the OK button. Now we just have to wait because the TV will connect to the Wi-Fi. The TV is now checking for any new software updates. You don't have to press anything at this step, just wait so this message disappears. If there is an update that is available for your Onn Roku TV, you'll be presented with this screen and you just have to press the OK button on your remote control. The update will now download and the TV will restart at the end without you having to touch any buttons at all. So just put the remote down and wait for it to be done. The TV has been resetted and now we have a new screen here asking us to sign in or create a new Roku account. This is completely free. They don't charge anything for a new Roku account. You just need to have one. So you have 2 choices over here. First of all is enter email address if you prefer signing in this way. If not, you can activate it using your QR code and a smartphone. And we'll choose this option. I'll just show you how it works. So go down, press OK. So now I have my phone. It works with iPhone and Android. Just open the usual camera app. Okay, point to the QR code this way. And usually there's a link you can press and it will redirect you to the page to sign in to your Roku account. If you're an existing customer, you have over here a small link you need to click instead of creating a brand new account. So now you have to enter the email and the password that you have already used to create an account in the past. Okay, I have created my new account. I even have confirmed my email. I'll just press continue here on my smartphone. And it will tell you return to original device over here. If nothing is changing on your TV screen once you have logged in or created a new account on your smartphone, all you have to do is to press the cancel button here. Then go over here where it says yes, cancel and return to sign up. Press OK. And now we'll try again. Especially if you created a brand new account, usually you have to go back over here, do the same exact thing. I'll take my phone. I'm going to the QR code here. Existing customer, since I just created, and I will sign in. They may ask you a few informations here, which location is your TV, and check I have read and agree to the Roku product terms of use. Then you just have to wait, press continue. And now finally we're seeing on the TV that it has actually reacted to me pressing the OK button over here. So you can put the smartphone aside and just wait, because everything here will, because the TV is now setting up by itself, downloading things, doing its thing. It's also updating the channels that were already installed on it. So you have the last update. And now you will get this screen where it says, let's connect your devices. Press OK on the remote control. And now what you need to do is to connect all the other devices that you need for your TV. So if you have a cable box, if you have a PlayStation, an Xbox, maybe you have a Fire Stick or any other HDMI devices that you want to use with your Onn Roku TV, you need to plug them right now. In my case, I don't have any of these. I'll just select do this later in case I want to add something. Then press OK again. Wait a few seconds.
Let's get you streaming.
Now there's a small video here showing you how the remote works and how the different tiles works and the menus. It's up to you to watch it or not. I just want to skip it, so I just pressed OK and pressed the right side arrow till the end and press OK. So now we just skipped through the whole video and we are now finally on the home page. So from here you have multiple options. If you already plugged some HDMI devices, you can simply use the arrows here to navigate and select them over here. If not, you have all the apps that are already coming with your Roku TV, Netflix, Disney Plus, Crave, or whatever other apps you have.
First is housing.
I'll show you how to add and delete apps. So first thing, take your remote control and press the home button, the top right one over here. So now we're on the home screen. What you need to do is, using these arrows on the remote control, go in this menu over here and go down using the down arrow until you see channels with a big plus sign. Once you're selected, press OK on the remote control. And here it will give you many different apps and channels to add to your home screen. If you want to search for one specific app, what you can do is to go up or down, depending where you are in this menu, until you see over here navigation, and you see there's a search button. Press OK. And here you can type whatever app you're looking to download. In my case, it's YouTube. This TV did not come with the YouTube app and I want it. So I'll go ahead and type YouTube simply by navigating using these arrows and pressing OK for each letter to type it. So and you see I just start typing YouTube and already I can see the results over here. You don't have to type the name completely. Once you see the app appearing on the right side, go ahead and take your remote control, press the right side arrow, okay, until you select the app over here, press OK. And then you'll get this button over here, Add App. Press OK. Next step, you're gonna select I agree and press OK again. And now you just need to be patient. Depending on the speed of your Wi-Fi, it can take a few seconds or maybe a minute to download. Once it's done, you're going to get this message and you're going to press OK. Now let me show you where this app went. So press the home button on your remote control. This is the home screen and we can see YouTube over here. So right now it's right over here where all the other apps are. If you want to move the YouTube app or whatever app you just downloaded somewhere else because it's more convenient for you, go ahead and select the app, then take your remote control and press the small star button over here, this one. Okay, press it once and you'll get to choose Move Channel. Press OK once this is selected. And then with the arrows, you're going to move the app up and down left and right and position it exactly where you want it to be. So in my case, I want YouTube to be there. Once it's done, press OK and it will stay there forever. Perfect. So you can do this many times. Go back in channels here and download as many apps or anything that you want from this Roku channel place. But what if you want to delete an app? Well, it's even easier. Press the home button on your remote control, go over here and go over the app that you want to delete. Let's say I don't want YouTube anymore. So I'll select it this way and then press the star button on the remote control. You'll have the option remove channel. So go down, and then press OK. Then press the up arrow once to select remove and then select OK on the remote control. In just 2-3 seconds, the app will be completely gone from your Onn Roku TV. I hope this was helpful. Please leave a like, comment down below if this worked, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.